That's what I've been doing, is building that up. I drip a little too much, more than I would have liked to. But so that'll get sanded down. That's 8 layers of cloth right there. And that'll get sanded down, and then we'll be at body filler phase. And I will fill all the other little imperfections. So that's the product I'm going to use. It was given to me by a professional when I told him I was going to use Bondo. He said, no, use this. And that's where we are. Here's something that's interesting. It's from another boat. It would not fit mine, but this is analogous to that top piece from my rudder. If you're looking in the cockpit, at the floor of the cockpit, you saw this. Something like it. What they did is they provided for a bushing made out of some kind of plastic or whatever. I think that's a good idea. I wish Ericson had done that with mine. I'm trying to think of a way I could go back. I mean, sure, I could go back and do it. It ain't happening this time around. But the thing is, how would I do the bottom? The bottom is really where it turns out I had all the slop. But even though I had, a lot of slop, it only mics out to be a couple thousandths difference in size. So I can't really make a little, shim type thing. But if I did something like this, if there was some way that bottom could be accessed and I could do a recess and then make a precise, bearing out of whatever, brass or Delrin or something, I don't know. Anyway, that's a solution that another manufacturer came up with, and I like it. Not too shabby a fairing job for an amateur. That's just primer on it right now. Eventually I'm going to have the lettering put on the side. For right now I had to preserve it. I don't know what patch you're talking about.
Maybe it's the way the light hits the back of the boat. It's like there's a big bear patch.
I think that's just wet.
Ah, okay.
should have seen when he lifted it. He couldn't fit. You know, the boat was off center in that hole over there.
Right.
So this crane barely fit in between those two boats.
I saw that. He had like literally a quarter inch on each side, but
So he had to, he lifted it sideways. So there was a moment there where the whole boat was like tilted over at like 30 degrees.
yeah. Andy's, anybody on the Hampton Roads Peninsula here is qualified to do this. It's certainly Andy.
Yeah.
Oh, he said he started doing this when he was like 13 or something.
Yeah. Stop. No, I'm not playing. No. This is not for you. It's not a toy. Hey! He's trying to take my glove. He thinks it's a toy. No. No. Yeah, she floats. For now.
Checking out some pelican action here. Should have been videotaping when he was damn near hit the boat when he came in, but got another one over there, out there fishing. Alright, nice.